Hello everyone, welcome back to DIY Geek YouTube channel. In this video I am going to describe my son's pressure washing rig that him and I both built together recently. This is his second generation do-it-yourself pressure washing trailer or rig. His first one, which is this particular DeWalt, is leaking oil and has suffered quite a bit. The pull chain or pull thread pull cord broke, and then it finally the thread here somehow blew out and almost hurt somebody when he was using it. So he's a professional pressure washing. He has a professional pressure washing business, and he has done probably somewhere between 150 to 200 jobs since last year. And he started about, I would say, in the middle of 2020. Anyway, so this is a new business for him. He was 19 and now he's 20 years old this year, and this is the kind of like a how-to video or how to create a rig like this from our experience doing it the cheapest way possible. And so real quick, I'm going from the bottom up, starting with a trailer. We bought a used trailer for $800 from a company here locally, and this trailer is a 5 feet by 10 feet, 5 by 10 trailer with a normal tongue, and the stand and everything seems to be normal. It's used, and it's a good deal. So we used to have the DeWalt just kind of parked right here. It's a 4400 psi. When he had that, we bought that one for about, I think, $600, and it was brand new. It was a good deal. That one has 4 gallon per minute, 4400 psi. And when he had that, we also bought the Mighty M surface cleaner. That saved a lot of time when it comes to working pressure washing job. From what I can understand is that you know, you want to be as quick, as efficient as possible. So I think this is a I believe this is a 24 inch diameter Mighty M. We bought this for about $350 to $400 or something like that. We bought that brand new. Oh yeah, by the way, the trailer also came with the tote here, water tank. I think this is a pretty hefty water tank. Don't quote me, I think it holds 150 gallon if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, okay. So next thing that he bought after that and a trailer, he found out that it was really a pain in the ass to manage hoses. So hoses are not cheap. They're pretty expensive. The high pressure hoses. I think for like 100 foot of hose, I think you're looking to pay at least $200-300, and you need to take care of them. And also the fact that when you're in a job, it's really hard to pull them out and then to I guess reel them back in. So if you don't have a hose reel like this is a high pressure hose reel. You don't have a hose reel like this, you're gonna be spending 5 to 15 minutes looking really dumb because you're not professional reeling back your hose, which is kind of dumb. So you need to have a hose reel like this. This one costs about $150 to $200. I don't remember where he purchased it online, but I don't think it was from Norton Tool. A local company that you may want to look into in your local area that sells a lot of pressure washing equipment is Norton Tool. By the way, guys, I'm going to be putting a lot of these information that I'm saying right now in the description so that you can take a look at the list of parts here, and I'm going to put also where you can buy the all these parts in the description. Some of them is going to have Amazon link, some of them is going to have link to Norton Tool, etc. All right, so let's continue to move on. All right, so this is the second generation pump and engine that he bought. This is recently after the DeWalt broke. This is a Honda GX630, and it's really nice. So this was bought used for $2,400. Supposedly, I think the machine itself is brand new. It's about $1,500, and the pump here is probably about $2,000. So it's $3,000 something dollars, maybe. What is it? So $1,500 plus, yeah, $3,500. He bought it for $2,400, but it's used. The motor is used. It has 900 something hours on it, but the pump is brand new supposedly. And yeah, it seems to be working great. He has completed 3 or 4 jobs with this, and he said it's really smooth. So the way that it works right now is that he has the water supply there. And the nice thing about this particular new pump, this is a 6 gallon per minute pump, and it actually sucks in the water. So the DeWalt, when he was using the DeWalt, he actually did not have the water tank on the trailer because the DeWalt does not suck, or it does not pull the water. So and we couldn't elevate the water tank, so he just basically uses the water supply from a garden hose like this. By the way, this is a necessity. I forgot to talk about this. So this is a garden hose, 3/4 inch. Make sure you buy commercial grade. I think this is again Ironton. May come with lifetime warranty, I think, from Norton Tool. Is their top of the line, and it is a great hose. You also need to buy a reel, so that you can quickly reel them up, just like the high pressure wash hose. All right, so the way that it works right now is that when he goes on a job, he will attach this to the customer's water faucet, or garden hose faucet, and he's gonna start filling up the tank that goes in there, right, like that. He's gonna start filling up his tank. He always have some kind of water, some water in there, but not much. He's probably gonna carry no more than about, I don't know, 20 gallons, so that it doesn't weigh down the trailer. And this is a buffer tank right now, which means that when he is at the job and he's running his machine and is doing pressure washing, water actually goes in the tank, comes out of here, goes into this filter. And by the way, this filter is necessary. Do not run ever your pressure washing pump without a filter. It is just not worth it. So a filter is necessary. The water goes into the pump, into this particular inlet here. Again, this Comet pump is great, and it sucks in the water, and then it goes out of the pressure washing with pressure here on this quick release right here. All right, so the quick release then goes into the this pressure washing hose here, which is, where is it? Yeah, I don't see where the hose is. Yeah, that connects to there. I don't know where he has his pigtail that connects from here to the hose, but anyway, that connects to the hose, and then the hose connects to the surface cleaner. That is the entire setup to do a surface clean job. All right, so next you have the fuel tank. So this is a 6 gallon fuel tank. It is just plumbed directly to the fuel filter into the engine, and it works great that way. And he also have these container, try to open it, which is also the housing for our battery. So as you can see here, there are electrical cable. That is actually battery cable. It houses the battery right here. That's a 12 volt golf cart battery that's wired here with outdoor weather resistant cable that goes to the alternator. So this engine does charge the battery when it's in operation. This engine does have also an auto start, obviously because of the battery, and it makes it really easy to get going. Let me see what else here. Other than that, yeah, I gotta let him know there's some sign of leakage there from engine oil. I wonder if that's normal or not. It's obviously not normal, but I'm not sure if that's something that he was expecting or not. And okay, so yeah, so this storage container is also necessary supposedly to contain all your chemicals that you need in here. We got this one from Home Depot for about $9. He also have this drain here, so if when he sometimes have the water too high, it becomes too heavy for him to start going from places to places. He's gonna drain, he's gonna let out some water so that when he goes, it doesn't get too heavy on the trailer. And then this is the way that he let go of the water. He just opened the valve here and let the water flow down into wherever, to the street. All right, so towards the back here, we just strapped down the water tote here using a regular cheap strap. We strapped the pressure washer or the surface cleaner using this heavy duty strap so that it doesn't move around. Let me see what else. You got a boot, you got to wear a boot, and you also have to have a sprayer here. So sometimes because you need to spray chemical before you start pressure washing, you need to have a few of those. Those are only $10 each. And yeah, that's about it. So this trailer comes with obviously a ramp that goes down. It's a really simple setup, and all of this costs approximately, I don't know, let's run through some of the numbers. So this is about $2,400. That's about 100, so that's 2,500. Let's not count that, that's $10. That came with the trailer. So where are we at so far? 2,500. Yeah, 2,500. This hose is probably about $50. This so that's $35.50. This what do you call it, hose reel, probably about $100. That's $36.50. I'm gonna assume that he has $300 worth of hose here. That's $38.50 plus $300 for the reel. That's $41.50 plus this guy right here at let's just say $350. That is going to be at $4,500 so far. So $4,500 plus the trailer at $800. So that puts us at $5,300. Yeah, $5,300 plus miscellaneous like piping, plumbing, and of course your own labor is the cost of this trailer. Pretty much $5,300. That gets you, I think he has like 250 feet of hose, 100 feet of garden hose, 6 gallon per minute pressure washing setup, a Honda GX630, which is a high-end pressure washing rig. The trailer, this is a full-size trailer. I mean, not full-size, but you know, 5x10 is a pretty decent size trailer. The reason why we did it this way, instead of buying a fully done setup from, like, say for example Norton Tool or some other kits, which probably cost more than $5,300 for this kind of spec, is because if we do need to get rid of the business or don't want to do pressure washing anymore, we can sell all these equipment one piece at a time and probably get everything back. Yeah, so if we needed the trailer for something else, obviously the trailer is just a trailer, for example. So yeah, so if you had a pressure washing specific kit, it's gonna be harder to sell. And doing it this way is also, I think you get more bang out of your buck. All right, well, anyways, just want to create this video to help people that are just getting started doing pressure washing. Hopefully this helps. We certainly did not find a lot of information, some information here and there, but didn't really have any information that is really just like a trailer setup supposedly. So this has been in operation for basically about a year now, and have 150 to 200 jobs going through between that, the wall, and this, and this is a proven setup. Okay, well, thank you for watching, and hope this video was useful. If you do find it useful, I hope you don't mind giving it a thumbs up. And if you would like to hear content like this, which are I believe useful, please subscribe to my channel, DIY Geek. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to see more do-it-yourself video like these and support my channel. Thank you.